Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Nidhi, a first year student pursuing my BE in Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today, in this video, we will explore the Goto statement in C programming language. So, we will first see the introduction of the Goto statement, then its syntax for writing the code. Also, we will write one program to understand it better. And lastly, we will go through the conclusion. The goto statement in C is a jump statement used to transfer control from one part of the program to another predefined part. It's generally used with a label. A label is an identifier that specifies where the branch will be made. A label can be any valid variable name followed by a colon. The goto statement can jump to a label within the same function, but it cannot use to jump from one function to another. Here is the flowchart that illustrates the working of Goto statement. You will understand it better when we will write a program. Moving on to code syntax 1. In this syntax, when the cursor reads this Goto statement, it skips the block of statement under it and it jumps to the label where this block of statement is executed. This syntax for Goto statement is called a forward jump. For a backward jump, the label part must be defined before the corresponding goto statement. It is important to note that the label part has not been skipped in this context. The cursor reads and executes all the statements written inside the body of the label. When the program reads the goto statement, it jumps to the label and executes the block of statements again. Now, let's write a program to demonstrate the use of goto statement. In this program, I'm going to use conditional statements such as if and else. Here, I'm using code blocks. You can use any other online compiler or Visual Studio. Let's start writing the code. First, I will include the necessary file. Now I'm going to declare n as an integer. Here, start is going to be my first label for the goto statement. Now I will write a printf statement where you need to enter 1 to run the code again or enter 0 to end or exit. Scanf statement for the input data. As my n is an integer, I'm going to write %d here and then ampersand n. Now I'm going to apply one condition here. If n equals 1, then go to start. Here, the statement go to start will work as a backward jump go to statement. Else, go to end. End is going to be my second label, which I will be declaring after this. End will include the print statement for exiting the program. And then comes the return statement. With this, we are done with our program. Now let's execute this. Here you can see the output of the program. As I enter 1, the program reruns, and the moment I put 0, the program exits. This program illustrates the goto statement with the use of a loop. In this example, at first we declared a as an integer and assigned a value of 10. When a equals 15, the goto statement will cause the program to jump back to loop label, skipping the iteration where a equals 15. The statement inside the loops are executed until a becomes equal to 20. Here in the output you can observe the value of a equals to 15 is not printed. That means a is incremented here, but this part of the loop statement is being skipped due to the declaration of goto statement here. Let's quickly conclude the video now. Using the goto statement is unnecessary as it can always be eliminated by rearranging the code. Its usage violates the rules of structured programming. It is a good programming practice to use of break, continue, and return statements in the preference to goto whenever possible. Goto statements can make the program code complicated and render the program unreadable. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video informative.